Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting coupon code offer. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing up to 85% off. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off. In order to grab this amazing hosting deal, once you click on a special discount link, you will be landed over here. The best thing regarding hosting is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence and you are getting as much as up to 95% off. You can simply select the claim deal over here and move on to the plans to get your up to 95% off discount. But if you scroll below, I want to tell you why Hostinger is a great choice to buy your hosting. So scroll above and look on all of the things. First of all, look around in the Trustpilot review, because Trustpilot is an industry verified third-party review, and you can see around 5-star, 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 1, 3-star review, 4-star review, 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. So majority of the reviews are 5-star with 1-star, 1-star and 1 3-star review, but all of them are actually fine. Decent, but not as the hype suggests. The good part is support. I started web hosting with hosting. I never had a reason to switch to any other. So you can see around very good, opinion regarding hosting. This was one of the reasons why I opted for hosting. You can also create website with Hostinger website builder. Hosting also supports WordPress, and if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. We can shift all of your website with a click of a button. Scroll below, these are about hosting the stats, and now I'm moving on to the plans where I can get as much as up to 95% off. So again, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Now if you select any plan, I recommend you guys to do a thorough search by simply selecting a view all features and do a comparison. But in my opinion, the premium business plan has almost everything which you need. It's a business plan with 50 websites, and premium plan is up to 3 websites. So look around for your demand and need, and simply select the choose plan with any of the plan. Here you can see 85% off, but if you click on the link in the description and follow as I tell you, can get as much as up to 95% off, which is an amazing discount by any hosting company. So I am going to make myself over here so you can have a clear view over here. So you can see it's a 48 months extra, 2 extra months free domain. Now it's a 95. If I select the have a coupon code, but before I select the have a coupon code, you can see around over here. It's my recommendation is stop for a 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money. Simply select the 48 months and getting 85% off. But I write this coupon code and you're going to get 95% off. But I'm going to tell you how you can get even more off. So once you apply this coupon code, you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal, because you have clicked on the link in the description and using either of the coupon code. So additional 10% off plus 3 extra months, 48 months at 84% off, a free domain, all within this amazing deal. So you can see $6,976 to $85. There is another coupon code as well to get you as much as up to 95% off, and both of them are mentioned in the description of the video along with the special discount link. So you can see around over here, it's more than 95% off. So after this, get your free domain right now over here, or you can claim it later on as well from your hosting control panel. So I'm just writing you to give you an example over here. Your 30 days money back guarantee, you can see over here. Now select it for the 1 year, because the free is only valid for the first year. So you can see without any additional cost, you are also getting your free domain for the first year. Simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part, and that is doing payment at Hostinger and writing your billing details and going through the confirmation. So see your order summary over here. You are getting more than 95% off, specifically 10% off with a special coupon code and a discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Now write your billing details and move on to the continue. And once you move on to the continue, we'll move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment method. Hosting can offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. Guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. And once you do it, simply select submit payment, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code and follow the step-by-step tutorial to get as much as up to 95% off with your hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger with up to 95% off discount.